Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to set pattern lock in our Oppo phone. Friends, you want to set guys pattern lock in your Oppo phone. So friends, how to set it in this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel and guys you are watching my video first time. So friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to set guys pattern lock. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see this type of setting guys. Click on guys this password and security setting guys. Tap here. Guys click on lock screen password guys. Then guys wait here and guys important notice guys you can see. So guys don't forget guys your pattern, otherwise you will have to reset your phone. So let's continue and yes you can see this pattern lock and tap here to set pattern lock. So you can see cannot at least four dots. So if you take these three dots pattern, so it will not work guys. You will have to take these four dots. So example for guys we will draw this L pattern and guys not we don't want to add fingerprint. So let's come back. Friends, now you can see guys we have this pattern lock. So we will draw our pattern to unlock our phone. So like that guys you can set your pattern lock in your Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.